Believe it, chicken wings with condensed milk are the best combo out there. Start by placing 650 grams of chicken wings in a bowl. Cover with water and add a teaspoon of baking soda. Set aside for 10 minutes. In a skillet, add 30 grams of dairy butter, and lay the chicken wings next to each other to fry. Let them brown well on all sides. At this point, season with black pepper, salt, and paprika, all to taste. Mix well to evenly distribute the spices among the wings. After mixing well, let it cook for about 5 minutes. We'll use this time to whip up a quick sauce with 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and the juice of 1 squeezed lemon. Mix well until smooth. Back to the wings, they've got a great color now. Add the sauce we prepared and mix well. It's basically ready now. The wings have cooked well and are very juicy. Now, just serve and enjoy. I guarantee these wings will be a hit at your home, juicy and flavorful. We hope you liked this, and, if you did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below what recipe we should bring next. That's it from us, see you next time.